I made these videos earlier today from just a single photo of each of these products. Well, to be honest, an AI made them for me and it did it completely automatically in just 2 clicks. I've never once even considered trying to make promotional product videos like these in the past because it's just so challenging to make them of high enough quality. So I find it completely crazy how easy AI has made it for absolutely anyone to make videos like this for their e-commerce store or their social media promotions. And this tool I found makes it easy if you're just creating visual only product videos like this, or if you want to add some nice text into those videos like this too. And I'm going to run you through how to do both of those. So this is the AI tool here on screen that you use to create these eye-catching product videos. It's called Hedra. And I want to thank them for sponsoring me to dig into their tool and find the things I really like. If you want to start using Hedra yourself to do this, I'll pop the link to the website in the description to this video. As you can see down here, you can get started and use this completely for free. And to create those videos, you just upload the image of your product here. So I've got this image of this orange drinks can on my computer that you'll see on screen now. So I've just uploaded that and you can see that that's there. And then the first step of this 2-step process to making these videos that you need to do is just press this button here to open up the inbuilt skills. And I'll talk you through and explain these a bit later in this video. And you just want to find this skill right here, the product showcase skill. So just click that and then press this button here and Hedra's going to start doing its thing. So you'll see here it's working away at that first step of this process. So this is Hedra's AI agent working on this task. It's called Hedra Agent 2. And what it's doing is it's looking at the image I uploaded and building an understanding of what it is. So it's recognizing it's a drinks can and it's coming up with ideas of different eye-catching scenarios that this can could be shown in. You'll see here it's got 3 image ideas for this can. And it's written out its idea for the images down here. So this is the idea for the first image. And I just press generate here. And you'll see here that the agent is now generating those 3 eye-catching, attention-grabbing images of that drinks product in these different scenarios that are going to be the perfect backdrops for our product videos that we're creating a little later. And you can see here the 3 different images that it has decided to put together. So it's all about it, and it's decided that showing the can on a morning kitchen counter and also showing it poolside and then also showing it in a creative workspace would be great ways of promoting this drinks product. And if we go over here, you can see it's working away generating those 3 images. And after just a couple of minutes, we can see here Hedra has come back with these 3 really aesthetic images for me of my product that will be perfect for me to turn into one of those product videos that we saw at the start. It's even added the orange slices on the counter here, so it's understood what the product is. It's planned out how to best promote it in an image and added these little touches in the images as part of that plan. Crazy. And then to turn any of these 3 images that it gave us into one of those product videos that you saw earlier, you just click the image that you want to use. So I'm going to use this image in the middle by the pool. Head down here, you'll see that the image is selected and added to the chat here. And then you're just going to choose the animate skill at the top here and press enter again. This is the second click. That's all that's needed to create these videos. Press the submit button, and as you'll see, Hedra is working away again to create that video for us. So as you can see down here, it's thought about how to best turn that image into a video. It's created this second task for us to do that for us. And we just press generate and let it go ahead and handle turning that into a video for us. And we can see it's been added down here into the space. And one thing I really like is it gives us a countdown of how long this task is going to take us. So I could walk away, leave this for 5 minutes, come back, and it'll be ready for me waiting. So yeah, I think I'm going to do that now, actually. I'll see you in 5 minutes. Okay, now that's finished. It actually only took 2 minutes, so that 5 minutes was an overestimation. You can see it's generated here. You can see the Hedra logo has been added to the bottom right corner because we're on that free plan at the moment. But if you like the tool and you upgrade to one of their paid plans, this watermark obviously won't be there as you'd expect. And there's a way to do that at 50% off for the first month, which I'll run you through a little later. But first, let's watch this video through. There you go. Awesome. A in location static video of any product you upload, generated just like that in just 2 clicks. And what I really love about this is that the agent, it recognizes like what is going on in the image, and it perfectly animates what's being seen in that image. So we've got the water ripples happening in the background, the hand shaking. It's just a really clever AI, in my opinion, and the fact that it does things automatically just makes it so easy for you. Like I said, you can also add text into the videos you generate, just like this, which I'll run you through how to do in just a second. But I just want to take a quick second to acknowledge what we've just seen. Like, you can now take any photo of any of your products, and it can be a crappy low quality photo that you've taken off your phone. And with this tool inside Hedra, you can just automatically have those photos converted into high quality aesthetic product videos that you can use for anything you need, whether it's your website, your social media. The agent 2 does all of the thinking for you. What is going to be best to be included in these photos, and what do I need to animate in the videos to make this a convincing product video? And it does it all for you. Like, this is crazy. And just like a year ago, this stuff wouldn't have been possible. And let me jump back in now to show you how to make those videos that have text in them. So what we're in here is we're in an area called the space, and I can use this space to see anything that's been created so far in this project. So I've got my original images, I've got the video I just created down here without the text. And now let's say I want to animate and add text to this image here and also this image here. I can just press Control to select both of them, and you can see they've both been added down here in the chat box. So yeah, the great thing with spaces is you can do bulk tasks using this drag and drop visual space, which I think is really cool. So let's select those 2 images that we want to animate. Show you how to add text now. We're just going to click on skills again and choose exactly the same skill. So the spot skill. Wait, no, that's wrong actually. Let's get rid of that. It's the animate skill. I got mixed up. Animate is what turns the image into videos. And then you're just going to type in a prompt like this after you've selected that skill. And this shows you how you can actually customize the automation inside Hedra here, just by typing in some specifics of what you want. So this is just a prompt where I've told it the words that I want written on screen and given it some instruction about the fonts and the colors I want to use. I'll write this in the description below so you can copy and paste it and use it as a template for your own videos if you want. But as simple as that, just adding this little bit of extra instructions to the automation and having both of those images selected, I can press Enter again now. You can see Hedra Agent 2 is going to work through that new task for me completely automatically. And then I'll skip forward to the end now where we should get our 2 videos with those texts added. And here we go. After just a couple of minutes, we got our first one back. So let's give that a watch while the other one's still loading. So there we go. Look, perfectly added that text in for me. And now that second video is done too. We can give that a watch. Let's take a look. And yeah, similar text animation, exactly what I wanted it to say. Done. It really is crazy what's possible to do now easily that was super difficult like just a year ago. I'm happy that Hedra sponsored this video because I stopped making videos, and this gave me a reason to jump back into AI tools and just made me realize again how much AI is progressing and making video creation easy for anyone that needs it for any different goal, whether it's social media growth or selling products and promoting your products like we've seen today. As I said, you can try this at hedra.com for free, or you can use the link in the description and my code that you're seeing on screen now. That will give you a 50% off your first month. Those automatic presets I was using throughout this video by clicking this button are called skills, and they're basically pre-built instructions that Hedra has created that automatically do things for you. And there's so many more on this site than the 2 that I showed you. So if you do head over to Hedra, I really would recommend going through all of these, clicking this little toggle on the right here, and that gives you like a full breakdown of what each of these skills does in more detail. You'll get a description at the top here, and then a write-up of what it's going to give you at the very end around here. There's also these things called connectors where you can plug in Hedra to different tools and different websites. So in theory, you could plug this into maybe a Google sheet that has all of your product information and description text to it, and just have it automatically creating these product videos for you, being fed by this Google sheet and like activating anytime you add more products into your sheet. Or you could connect this to Google Drive and have Hedra automatically upload these creations that's made for you straight to your Google Drive as soon as it's done, saving you more steps. Tons of opportunity for automation here with connectors, which just like makes this even more powerful. Let me know what you think to the workflow I've shown you in the comments to this video, and YouTube thinks you're going to like watching this video next, so watch that video next. Peace out.